Okay, now we're going to install the highway pegs, and if you run your fingers along the inside of the bar, you can feel a series of holes there that locate on this pin. We can adjust it from this far forward in half-inch increments all the way to this far back. The reason for adjusting this is if your legs hit the fairing or the storage compartment on a GT or GTL, you want to adjust rearward until the pressure on your leg is relieved. And we're going to use the supplied 5/32 Allen wrench to get a screw started. Once you have one in and snugged up, this won't fall. You don't have to remove the screws all the way if you want to readjust it. Just slacken them off far enough to disengage the pin in the backside. You can slide it fore and aft and then retighten these things. Just 2 fingers on the wrench is sufficient to tighten these. Okay, now that you've installed your engine guards and highway pegs, we recommend that after the first 100 miles or so of riding, you check all the screws for tightness and make sure everything is adjusted properly, and enjoy the ride.